Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka Jingïalang. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dip khap mania fila ban call haki niki number.
MP ka Shillong Lok Sabha Dr. Ricky A.J. Singkan hakar pratrik ujemang arja usan ulapli pa ya ka 15 biennial State SNAI Conference arja usan ka Sngi kabala pelong da ka Trained Nurses Association of India Meghalaya State Branch kabala long Hilarity International Performing Arts and Culture Center Maukasyang New Shillong Township ka phang jong news nam kalong Learning Today Leading Tomorrow, a journey of a nursing student.
Standing here in front of you today is not just an honor but also a privilege as we celebrate the 15th or we conduct the 15th State SNAI Biennial Conference 2025. I mean, we need to realize that this particular gathering or event is not just all of us having come together. It is actually a celebration of the dedication, compassion, learning and leadership in nursing. And I have had over 35 years of experience in healthcare delivery, and I have not found a single nursing student or nursing officer and senior nursing cadres lacking in these. Now, if we go back to the epistemology of the term nurse, which originates from the Latin nutrire, which means nourishing, it also means nurture. It's a huge term. So I think nurses come second only to mothers for everybody who is admitted in a hospital, and that has been very well brought out by my predecessors. So nursing is basically the heart and spine of healthcare delivery. And very rightly so. We doctors can diagnose, we can prescribe, we can examine patients, but the time that is spent by the patients and the patient's attendance is with the nurses, which is absolutely essential for their well-being. And the comfort that is offered by the nurses, monitoring the progress and recovery, they tirelessly advocate the well-being of their patients. So for this, I bow before you and laud your efforts that have been on and will continue, because we have here the dynamic torchbearers of tomorrow who are learning and imbibing these traits from you. Now this year's theme, Learning Today, Leading Tomorrow, a journey of a student nurse. This should remind us of the strength of any health system, which lies not just in the number of its professionals, but in the strength of their education, ethical conduct, empathy and courage. Nurses have served in myriad of circumstances, be it war, be it pandemics, be it riots, be it terrible weather, cyclones and earthquakes. They have served with courage and they have done us proud. To the members of the TNAI, I commend your unwavering commitment to advancing the profession of nursing in India. Your advocacy, mentorship and vision that have played a very, very pivotal role in shaping policies and uplifting the entire standards of nursing care. SNAI, the enthusiasts of today. It has been said that you are the torchbearers of tomorrow, which is the truth. And we are very, very proud of the way you are coming up. The conference is your platform not only to learn but to connect and aspire. Please make the most of it. Excellence, please remember, in nursing goes beyond clinical skills. Clinical skills is a common denominator for all of you. The theoretical knowledge and the psychomotor bits, they are all in the syllabus and they probably are something which everybody will pick up. Your affective domain, your behavior, your sharing of knowledge, your attitude, caring, love, compassion, all these traits which are the hidden agenda rather than something which can be taught by others. So learn from what you see in your idols in your college. We face challenges like I have mentioned, pandemics, mental health crisis, inequalities in healthcare delivery in the country from various tertiary care hospitals down to the primary health centers, etc. But the nursing community has consistently shown resilience and leadership despite the shortfalls and the shortcomings. So please remember, all of you may not necessarily be serving in the hallowed corridors and wards of tertiary hospitals. Some of you might be serving in very, very impoverished areas with very few facilities. The true test of a leader will emerge in those situations. So consider that as a challenge and not as a negative. Do not get disheartened. In conclusion, I urge each of you to take the insights from this conference back to your institutions, to your future patients, and to your communities. Do not let socio-economic inequalities, religion, regionalism, and caste negatively impact your service to all fellow human beings. We pledge to serve humanity irrespective of where the patient comes from and who the patient is. Wars have shown us that even enemy soldiers who were injured have been treated by nurses and doctors without any harm, treated equally as with our own, and then discharged. Prisoners have been treated and then discharged. Law can do whatever the law wishes to do subsequently, but our job is to ensure that any patient who is admitted will recover with the best of our efforts. So to this effect, nothing on this planet should deter you from thinking the well-being of a patient.